today I'm going to be showing you how to make normal based glossy slime. So let's get to it. Okay, so what you need is some PVA glue and some lemon yellow paint. I'm just using my fabric paint because it's easier. Some sun cream or lotion. I'm using sun cream. Some Lenor spray. And some borax. Okay, so just put my glue in my bowl and now just stirring the glue around just in case there are some dry lumps. Now I'm going in with some of my lotion / sun cream. Putting in probably half a teaspoon there. And stir together. The lotion will make it very smooth and soft, and it will also make it really glossy. Depends on how much you put it in it. Now I'm just putting in some of the air freshener because that's what I use to scent my slimes. I have different air fresheners, but I chose to use this one because it's one of my nicest. Now I'm stirring that in. Stir it well, and if it goes really watery, just keep stirring it. It's just because the glue is having a reaction to the air freshener. Okay, so now just putting in a teaspoon of water to the slime and stirring it in, and then now I'm going to get my lemon yellow paint and colour the slime. It's optional for you to colour it, but I decided to colour it because I just like colourful slimes. If you find that your paint is too light in the slime, just keep adding more, or if you don't want to waste your paint, get a darker version of that colour so then you don't have to put in as much. Now I am just going in with my borax. I only put in a tiny bit at a time because some of my mixtures can be quite strong, some can be quite weak, so I found that this mixture was medium-ish, so I put in a medium-ish amount at a time, so yeah. Just to speed things up, here is a time lapse. The slime has kind of started coming together now, so I went in with my hands, but I found that it was still a bit sticky, so I put in a teeny wincy bit more borax, and the slime started unsticking to me. And once you know that your slime is forming, that will be when it is pulling away from the bowl. You can see here the slime I'm just kneading in my hands, and at first if you're using not Elmer's glue, your slime will be a bit lumpy, but just squeeze all the lumps out and done, you'll have your perfect slime. Okay, because my slime wasn't scented enough, I just went in with more of my scented air freshener and mixing that in. This slime is so glossy so far, I am in love with it. Okay, so here's a picture of my setup. I'm not using a tripod. My phone is literally glued, no, not glued, like taped down to the glue bottle. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but I'm just having to deal with it.